God is guidance and wisdom and strength and infinite possibilities and potentiality. Jesus said, I came that you may have life and you may have it abundantly. I just want you to know, I want you to get it. I want you to feel how supported you are, how loved you are, how there is guidance with you all the time, how you are never alone in doing this journey. And whatever it is that your dreams are, they're there for a purpose, but they can't come into expression without you. And they can't come into expression without your faith in them. In Unity, we do affirmative prayer. There is no separation. We are so supported. We are loved. We are guided. We are never alone. God is love. God is divine energy. And I am that life and that wholeness. God is peace. God is harmony. God is grace. And I am peace and harmony and love and grace. Why wait? Why wait? It's time for us to live now and step into what is desiring to emerge in us, as us, and through us, and to trust that. Get excited about your life. Get excited about the possibilities and potentiality, and